How's it going? Nimbus Gaming here, back with another unboxing video. Now for today's video, it's gonna be an unboxing, like I just said. And here we have the Razer Naga Trinity mouse. Do you guys see that? Do you guys see that? I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but it's gonna be fire. All right, let's get right into it, because I've been waiting to unbox this bad boy for a year and a half. Let's get right into it. Here we have it, guys, the Razer Naga Trinity. Now guys, again, I have been waiting to unbox this mouse for about a year and a half. Now I'm not saying that I bought it a year and a half ago and now is when I'm unboxing it. No, what I am saying is that I've waited a year and a half to get this. Now the reason for that is because I'm gonna show you guys why. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna be right back. All right, I'm back. Now, guys, again, the reason why I've waited a year and a half to get this at the store is because, let me move this out of the way for a second. I've been using this. This is a wireless Logitech mouse. Now, don't get me wrong, guys. This mouse is fantastic. Like I said, I've been using this for a long time. Okay? It's not bad. But lately, about a month ago, when I've been building my 90s, my wrist has been hurting. Now, I don't know if I have carpal tunnel or not, but my wrist has been hurting. And I blame it on this mouse. Because when you're building 90s with this mouse, it gets to you. It just gets to you. Again, nothing wrong with the mouse. Fantastic. Boom. Perfect to take it on the go. That's what it's meant for. It's just too small. And I'm a small guy. I have small hands. This is a small mouse. And it's still too small for me. So, about a month ago, I got rid of this. I started using this. A regular mouse. Nothing wrong with this, guys. Bigger. My wrist stopped hurting. However, it's basic. And one thing Nimbus Gaming doesn't do is basic. So what did Nimbus Gaming do? Nimbus Gaming got this. Do you guys see this? Do you guys see this? I don't know if you guys can see this or not. But I went ahead and I got this. So now today, we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. So enough talking, because I've talked for a good amount of time now, and I apologize for that. Let's see. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Look, it has a little, you guys, I don't know if you guys can see this. It has a little lift here on the tape. So I won't even need my unboxing knife for this. Let's go ahead and let's see this beauty right here. Do you guys see this? Do you guys see this? More boxes should bring this little lifty thing on the tape. Look at that. Look at that. Ah, beautiful. Beautiful box. Look at this, guys. You guys see this? This is how you know that the contents in the box are fire. When there is no plastic to hang the box when you go to Best Buy, Target, wherever you guys buy your things at. This is hung on fire. This is fire, not plastic. Alright? Boom. Boom. Oh no, you guys can't see it yet. Woo! Alright, let's see. By the way, guys, I don't know if I said this already, but this is called Trinity because it has 3 interchangeable plates. So 3 adjustable side plates. So you can go ahead and put your preferences for buttons. I personally already know I'm gonna be using the middle one, which has the circular keys. All right, back to the box. We have something in the box, but hold on. Okay, we're done. Let's see what we have in the box. Okay. So in the box we have a letter from Razer. I'm pretty sure it's a wonderful letter to read. I can tell you guys that the first 6 words, the first couple words are congratulations, there is no turning back. The rest you guys could read. If not, doesn't matter, because I'm not gonna read it. Next we have here the little booklet. Boom, do you guys see that? Okay. For gamers, by gamers. Okay. Okay. Psst. Nobody cares for this. This is what we're here for. We don't even care for the mouse. We're here for this. The stickers. Guys, these stickers are fire. Alright? Boom, I'm gonna leave that there. Now let's get back to the mouse. You know, nobody really cares about the mouse, we care about the stickers, but whatever. I already showed you guys the stickers, so what else is there left to show you guys except this boring mouse? Boom, you guys still see the sticker there. Do you guys still see the sticker there? I'm not sure. I don't know, let me know in the comment section if you guys see the sticker or not. Alright. Boom. Okay, alright. Double plastic. Alright, so let me show you guys the side plates. Here we have this one, which has up to 7 buttons. Obviously right now the buttons and the numbers are going to be really hard to see because the mouse itself is not on. Now when the mouse is connected, obviously the numbers are going to write up. Okay. Here we have the second side plate. This one has 2 buttons with a rubber grip right here. I'm gonna be using this one, guys, just letting you guys know. Okay. Boom. Semi-fire, semi-fire, fire, semi-fire. Then we have the mouse itself with that third plate. Now this plate has up to 12 keys. Again, each number 1 through 12. You guys might not be able to see the numbers there. However, these numbers do light up once you connect the mouse. Okay. Bottom. Boom. Fire. The Razer logo right there. Guys, this is bigger than my mouth, than my hand. You guys see this? I don't reach, cause this is fire. Boom, 90s, 90s, 90s side buttons, 12 keys. What am I gonna use them for? I don't know, but I have them there. All right. You guys get this mouse for the fact that you have 12 keys, and you could say you have 12 keys on your mouse, and you might not even use them, but you know you have them there. That's called fire. All right. Boom. Honestly, guys, I can't wait to try this mouse out. I'll let you guys know how the mouse does. To be honest, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be way better than the wireless one. I'm pretty sure my wrist will feel better using this. For sure, I could tell you my 90s are gonna be on fleeky after this. All right, so that's it, guys. That's it for this beautiful mouse unboxing. Set this guy. Boom, boom, boom. Can't forget the stickers. Boom. So that pretty much wraps up this unboxing video. Now let me know in the comment section below what mouse you guys are using. What's your preference in mouse? What brand? Whether it be Razer, Corsair, Logitech, whatever it is that you guys are using, let me know in the comment section below. Looking forward to see what you guys preferences is. If you like this video, make sure to drop a like, and if you haven't already, subscribe so you can stay up to date with the latest videos. Now I'm gonna go try this out. Thank you for watching.